Hi, I'm Tony Anderson. I'm a licensed realtor in the state of Florida. And today we're talking about the initial communications for foreclosure proceedings. If you fall behind on your mortgage payment, your lender has the right to foreclose on your home. If monthly mortgage payments are not made, the lender may require full payment of the loan. Initially, an acceleration letter will be sent to your home. The letter will set a deadline for full payment of the loan. If the amount is not paid, foreclosure proceedings can begin. Now, there are two types of foreclosure processes, depending on the state where the property is located: a judicial foreclosure process and a non-judicial foreclosure process. With a judicial foreclosure, they're processed through the court system, beginning with the lender filing a complaint and recording a notice called a lis pendens. The complaint will state what the debt is and why the default should be allowed to the lender to foreclose and take the property as security for the loan. The homeowner will be served a notice of the complaint either by mail or direct servicing, or a publication of the notice. And the owner will have the opportunity to be heard before the court. If the court finds the debt valid and in default, it will issue a judgment for the total amount owed, including the costs of the foreclosure process. After the judgment has been entered, a writ will be issued by the court authorizing a sheriff's sale. The sheriff's sale is an auction open to anyone and is held online via a website or in a public place, which can range from the courthouse steps to in front of the property being auctioned. At the end of the auction, the highest bidder will be the owner of the property, subject to the court's confirmation of the sale. In a non-judicial foreclosure, they are processed without court intervention, with the requirements for the foreclosure established by state statutes. When a loan default occurs, the homeowner will be mailed a default letter, and in many states, a notice of default will be recorded at approximately the same time. If the homeowner does not cure the default, a notice of sale will be mailed to the homeowner, posted in public places, and recorded at the county's recorder's office and published in area legal publications. After the legally required time period has expired, a public auction will be held with the highest bidder becoming the owner of the property, subject to their receipt and a recording of the deed. Auctions of non-judicial foreclosures generally require cash buyers or cash equivalent at the sale or very shortly thereafter. It's important to note that each non-judicial foreclosure state has different procedures. Some do not require a notice of default, but will start with a notice of sale. Others require only the publication of the notice of sale to announce the sale with no direct owner notification required. You need to know the specific procedure for your state. Speak with a licensed realtor, an attorney, or both for assistance. I'm Tony Anderson, and those are some tips on initial communications for foreclosure proceedings.